Let's make jerk sloppy joes using DivineKuizine's jerk sauce, jerk seasoning, and DivineKuiziine remoulade sauce. Okay, y'all, so we getting ready to season these jerk burgers. So let's get started. So I have some ground beef here, and I got organic ground beef or grass-fed ground beef, but you can get whatever you want. So it's gonna be real simple. So we're going to use seasoned pepper, salt. You wanna, do a decent amount of salt and pepper. And then we're gonna use the DivineKuizine's Jerk Rub. That's how we're gonna jerk these burgers using DivineKuizine's Jerk Rub. So we're gonna do about 3 tablespoons, or teaspoons rather. But you could do as much as you wanted to. It just depends, because the more you do, the spicier it is. So I thought this would be good. Why not? Burgers, jerk burgers. We're just going to, and this would be good if you could do ahead of time and set it aside and let all the flavors mesh together. We're gonna do this on the stove, but you could also do it on the grill. Summertime now. You can jerk up some burgers and go at it. This is another way you can use one of DivineKuizine's products using DivineKuizine's Jerk Rub. And you can get it at my website at DivineKuizine.com, or you can get it on Amazon. And if you're in the Atlanta area, you can go to Atlanta Beefers Farmers Market. So this is all well mixed. So it looks like this. And so I'm gonna sit this to the side and let it kind of adhere to all the seasonings, the spice, the salt, the pepper, and the jerk rub. And then we're gonna go ahead and pan fry them on the stove. We have a little bit of olive oil in the pan. And so we have some jalapenos, and I kept the seeds in them because I wanted a little bit of spice, but you could take the seeds out of the jalapenos. We have red onion, we have bell pepper, red pepper, and yellow pepper. So to give it that Caribbean kind of flair, we have different peppers that we're gonna go ahead and put on this. So we're gonna saute these. We're gonna caramelize them. So we're gonna put a little bit of salt. And we just have this on high heat for a minute, and we're gonna go ahead and let this cook down. And then we're gonna add DivineKuizine's jerk sauce to be able to caramelize the peppers in. And we're gonna put a tablespoon of butter in there, caramelize, and like I said, it's on high heat. Caramelize or soften. So now we're gonna put some of DivineKuizine's jerk sauce in here to give it another part of the jerk experience. DivineKuizine's jerk sauce. So now I'm chopping up the burger, the jerk ground beef to make the sloppy joe. I'm gonna put some cheese. Put the top on and let the cheese melt, and then we will assemble our jerk sloppy joe. We're going to use the DivineKuiziine remoulade sauce as our dressing to dress these sloppy joes. So this is another way you can use DivineKuizine's products. We use 3 products here, y'all. We use the jerk seasoning to season up, or the jerk rub to season up our burger. We use the jerk sauce to caramelize our peppers, and now we're using the DivineKuizine's jerk rub to go ahead and dress our sandwich. So we have used 3 of the products today. So I'm a saucy girl. Take some of that. We already have some cheese on it, so I'm going to take some of our jerk sloppy joe. Ooh, goodness, y'all. Getting carried away here, huh? I'm going to pile it up on here like so. Cheese on top, like that. And then we have our peppers. our jerk caramelized peppers that we're gonna put on top. This look good, y'all. On top, and then we're gonna top it off, and there you have it, the Jerk Sloppy Joe, Caribbean style. So let's go in for the taste. Okay, y'all, I got a couple little napkins here, cause this is gonna be messy. Sloppy, that's what they call it. It's a little sloppy. Little jalopy. Sloppy. Little jalopy. Just gonna cut it. Taste. It's good. It's spicy. I think I'll put like 3 tablespoons, 3 teaspoons of DivineKuizine Jerk seasoning in there, jerk rub. And then you can taste it. And then you got the peppers that, remember I jerked with the jerk sauce? It's messy too. Okay, let me stop. Because it's messy. I'm not looking ladylike. I got all these napkins. Probably lipstick off. This good. This is an adult sloppy Joe. Because it's a little spicy. It's a little spicy unless your kids like spice, or you could take some of the spice out. Maybe do 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon rather. Then I did 3 to 4 teaspoons. But it's delicious. It's got that cheese. It's got the right amount of pepper, you know, spice, but then a little bit of sweetness because, you know, DivineKuizine Jerk sauce, it's got that tamarind in it. It's a little sweeter. It's spice, but sweeter. Where DivineKuizine Jerk rub is more spicier. And then, of course, DivineKuizine's remoulade sauce, you know, so you get that sauciness, that dressing type flavor. And then you got those peppers. It's just good. This is another new way that y'all can make sloppy joes. And you see how easy it was. We just seasoned up our ground beef, chopped it up on the stove, caramelized our peppers, and put it together. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. I'm about to go in and enjoy the rest of this sandwich. Love y'all, Chef Shay.